Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang. Grateful gang. Grateful gang. Grateful gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free $99. Oh, look at that, y'all. I just hit my target. Boop. It's only 1:27 in the afternoon. Your girl took a walk and we're already at 8,000. Rude. You wanna show the people or no? It said no. That's not what y'all here for, okay? We're here to do our tracking of our expenses. Let's get back on task, Tara. So y'all can see the papers out the planner, all right? Let's go ahead and track these expenses in this planter, on this piece of paper. So the last time we had some we paid some bills. So we're going to start with right above that, which is Walmart. So we have Walmart for $63.94, and that was on 8/1. That was groceries. I'm going to turn on this little light because this sun is going in and out. So if the shadows start, I apologize, but I want y'all to be able to see. So that was groceries. The next thing we have here is Publix, again, groceries. Now, a part of this grocery bill, like $7 of it was for eye care. So I'm going to take that out of medical, but we're just going to leave it. We're just going to remember that when we make the payment. I ended up just paying all of it out of groceries, but then I moved the money from medical to groceries off screen. You guys did not see that part. Amen. So then Publix, $39.09. I was trying to get the stuff cheaper at different places. It is not I don't love it. I don't love having to go different places to get things because I'm like, I just don't want to. But I was trying, so there we are. We had $63.94 and we have $39.09. I'm sorry, $39.03. And that's $102.97. Then on 8/5, I went to Longhorn Steakhouse. That was planned, and that was eating out, but it wasn't. It was coming out of my Treat Your Friends account because me and Shalinda went to meet up. It's one of the people from YouTube that I met up with, and it was a great time. She's a great person. Definitely hope to do it again. It was $37.06, and I had put $40 away for it, so we should be fine. $102.97 plus $37.06, and that's $140.03. Then the last thing here is a Publix. Again, this was August 5th when I went to do groceries again, and that was $21.36. And that is all the transactions. Honestly, y'all, I feel like I've had no spend days all week. We had a no spend day on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I just haven't written it. So today is Saturday, and I'm going to eat out today as like scheduled, but I still choose it as I still say it's not a no spend day. But yeah, y'all, we're doing real good with the no spend days. That's why there are no more transactions after that day. Now today is a spend day, as you can see. I don't know if you can see because this thing is weird. I just spent $115 at Sam's Club, but that's all for like re-up of detergent, all the things, and that's coming out of household. I didn't write the right number here. Okay, so we're at $140.03 plus $21.36. That was for the last Publix, so we're actually at $161.39. That's it on the credit card, y'all. So that's it until the other thing clears. So let's go ahead and make our payments. Let's see what we got. So Walmart groceries, we're going to pay $53.94 because we're going to take, you know what? We're just going to take it all out of groceries. $63.94 plus $39.03 plus $21.36. That's already $124.33 out of groceries. The only thing left in our cash and loan money is groceries, and we only have $190 for the month. Actually, that's a lie. Yes, no, that's right. $190 for the month. We usually have $160, but I was able to put a little extra in there this month, thank God. So, but I will tell y'all, my job has been feeding me all week, so it has been such a blessing. That's why I didn't have to spend no money. $124.33 is going to be paid, and that's coming out of our cashless envelope money. And choose that account. Payment for today. Success for our payment. So this has been paid. This has been paid, and this has been paid. Now the $37.06, we're gonna go ahead and pay that as well. And that I said is coming out of Treat Your Friends because I put $40 in there. Where is that account? Okay, and it has $40.51, so it should cover it just fine. And continue, submit payment. Thank you for your payment. Boom. So all of these transactions have been paid on the credit card. That will go up and will be good. Then see, there are two payments right there. Our two payments are $124.33 plus $37.06, which is a total of $161.39, which is the total on the credit card right now. So that credit card is good to go. And on our other cards, we don't have anything on the Quicksilver card right now because we're only paying bills on that card. And as you can see, that's a 0. And then I have 2 that are pending that need to come through. So that's it for the card. Go to the cash in our wallets. I actually need to get gas because I'm a little under half tank, and I'm going to go do that when I head over to my parents' house today. So I don't think I've touched the gas money. There was $120, and there is still 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 110, 20. So there's still $120 in gas. That will change today, but we'll reconcile that next week. I don't think I took anything out of self-care. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. There's always, we start off with $80 in self-care. Baby, we ain't do nothing. There's nothing in eating out because, wait, no, there's money eating out. We started with 59. Okay, so we're supposed to have 59. Actually, this reminds me, I need to grab some money out of that envelope. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56. We owe $3 to this, and I think we put it away. That's why I had an extra $3 when I was doing my cash stuffing before. And I put it in like the holding envelope, and that was not right. This actually belongs, $3 belongs to, I don't care if I'm gonna use it, just give it the ugly ones. So we really only have $3 left in here right now as backup money. I was like, why don't I have the right amount? So I wrote in the things. We need to write in the things. That's right. So we have not tracked this yet. Let's be accurate, okay? We have not tracked eating out yet. So we need to track that. It's supposed to have 59, but we started with 80. So we spent some money. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Now the money is right, but we still need to write the charges down. So we had spent $12 at Little Caesars on 7:30 and $9 at JJ Fish on 8/3. I might go back to JJ Fish again today, but let me write those in. I put those in. So the Little Caesar, adding the $12 to the $161.39 plus 12 brings us to $173.39. And then adding $9 for JJ Fish brings us up to $182.39. So that's that. Now, as far as anything else in the wallet, we have nothing in miscellaneous to start or finish giving. So giving was not in the wallet. It was online, but I did give $10 to one person's birthday and $10 towards another person's birthday. So we'll add 10 here, and that's $192.39. And then another 10 will bring us to $202.39. I don't remember what days they were, but they were, let's just call it birthday for Jay. I don't remember her last name right now. And then we'll do birthday for CJ. Okay, and so that's the giving money done as well. And then as far as the credit card goes, I had money put up here to go back to the bank, which I put in the bank already. And that will go to my birthday fund, but that doesn't have anything to do with this. So I think that's it, y'all. I think we have allocated, and these are cash, so they are automatically paid because they came out. Well, this was Zelled, so it automatically already came out. And that's where we are. Nothing too crazy. Haven't spent too much money this first week of August. Technically, it's the first like week and a half because it's already the 10th. The first 10 days of August, I will be spending some money. Again, like I said, I just went to Sam's Club and spent some money. That'll be on next review. And then I am going to buy some gas this time around. So yeah, we're doing pretty good. I'm excited. I'm trying to be very mindful right now because I want any extra money that I have to be used for birthday. So my fun money has been put away for birthday. I'm hoping to keep some of my eating out money for birthday, but not necessarily because there should be extra money in there already. But that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've been tracking your expenses. Hope you're doing well with that. Keep going. It's not perfection, it's progress over perfection. Keep doing it and it will all work out. No one is perfect at this. We all have to practice and do it in order to get it right. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great. You have to be grateful. Super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but wait, forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever,